We all want our family to live in a clean environment. And as a company with family at its foundation, we understand that a healthy home starts from underneath. Air circulates through your home as it is pulled up through the subfloor by air escaping through the attic. The air from your basement or crawl space brings up a multitude of isolated contaminants such as mold spores, dust mites, and radon buildup, to name a few. The Center for Disease Control states that these contaminants can cause harm to the overall health of your home environment, causing symptoms like nasal stuffiness, eye, skin, and throat irritation, coughing or wheezing, or in some cases, serious respiratory infection. These symptoms, along with unpleasant odors, impact every member of the family, lowering the quality of life for everyone in the home. Your home will continue to be susceptible to the damage caused by surrounding moisture in the earth and air until the basement or crawl space is sealed off. We at Barrier Waterproofing Systems can utilize several different ways to waterproof your basement or crawl space from moisture intrusion that can occur. The process for sealing off your crawl space for protection is called encapsulation. Your basement can also be protected, either from the inside or outside of your home, by equipping the correct drainage systems to help divert water from entering.
There are a handful of options for homeowners to protect their basement against moisture. If your basement is finished and you otherwise would not want to break up the floor inside, an exterior waterproofing system might be for you. Interior waterproofing systems are also very effective solutions for keeping your basement nice and dry. To waterproof your basement from the exterior, the soil surrounding your home is excavated away from the walls of the foundation. This makes room for the installation of both a waterproof barrier on the outer surface of the walls and a drainage system, such as a French drain, to assist with eliminating redirected water. To waterproof your basement from the interior, a trench is created in the concrete floor along the perimeter of the basement to install a drainage system. That system of choice will then direct water that enters in from under the foundation and behind the walls away from the home. The soil surrounding the foundation of your home expands as it becomes saturated with water and contracts as it dries. This shifting can cause the foundational walls to bow in and crack. Soil below the foundation can also erode as water comes and goes, robbing the foundation of the support it needs, causing it to settle and sag. The type of drainage system that best suits your home will depend on many different factors that our team of specialists will take into account in helping you determine which is best. Next, let's look at encapsulation. The first goal is to permanently seal off all openings of the crawl space that continue to let in humid air, such as where plumbing enters in, foundation is damaged, or other openings like vents that are installed in the foundation as the home is being built. Crawl space vents are now obsolete and only contribute to moisture-related issues in modern-day homes. An insulation and vapor barrier sheeting is then installed to create an interior seal to protect from further moisture intrusion, like water that has saturated the soil surrounding your crawl space after a heavy rain. An encapsulated crawl space then contains an environment that prevents mold and mildew and is suitable for several purposes, such as storage or even extra living space. Choose Barrier Waterproofing Systems to help deter the harmful effects that moisture can have on the quality of life of your family and strength of the structures of your home. Our systems will keep your crawl space, basement, and foundation protected from moisture intrusion with quality materials that will last a lifetime.
Give us a call today and schedule a free evaluation of your home to determine the most comprehensive and stress-free solution. Barrier Waterproofing Systems, created to perform where standard waterproofing solutions fail.